Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Natasha. This little guy over here, his name is Ollie. Ollie is a 4-year-old squirrel monkey. In today's video, we are going to let Ollie eat some watermelon. It is the pretty much end of summer. We are starting to get some cold fallish weather. I won't lie, I'm very excited for fall this year. I will never say that probably ever again, but it has been so miserably hot that I just am so ready for a break in the heat and get the kids back outside without dying. So I figured we would wrap up the summer with some fresh watermelon for Ollie, and he sees it, so he's yanking at the lead. So we will let him go. You want some watermelon? Yeah? Okay, he's ready. So let's go get some watermelon.
Okay, we got it set up right here. You want some? Go get it.
Yum.
What'd you think?
So we were totally gonna do this video outside, but it's extremely windy out at the moment. We actually lost power the last 2 nights. We lost it for about 5 minutes each. Luke says he thinks that's the transformers are blowing. It is not good, but it's super windy today. And I didn't want the audio to be all crazy. Look at him walking with it in his mouth. You are a silly monk. It's a tasty watermelon. Yeah. This one is super sweet and super juicy. Ollie, of course, wiping his hands because he does not like anything wet. Ollie, you like watermelon, huh? He's getting it all over. It's so juicy. We're gonna have to wash the sheets, huh? He's not even like breathing, it seems like he's just inhaling it. What'd you think? I love his eating sounds. Don't let anything go to waste, Ollie, huh? I think the first time we tried to feed Ollie watermelon, he wouldn't mess with it because it was super wet. Now that he's a bit older though, he's gotten a little bit more adventurous. Now he loves watermelon. I honestly didn't think he was going to eat all that. I thought I put more on there than he would eat. He's going to have a full belly. Oh my gosh, licking the plate good. Where are you going with it? Not on my piano. Ollie. But it's all sticky and juicy. That's the last place I want it. He's taking the last bits of it up high because he thinks I'm gonna take it. It's very typical squirrel monkey behavior. They live in troops of up to 500 squirrel monkeys. So when one gets something, they all run to go steal it from them. So it is very typical for them to try to run away, thinking that I'm gonna take it. Huh. That or maybe Ollie just felt the need to make a mess of the entire playroom. That could be as well. Where are you going? He's like, stop following me. We're not gonna take it. Whoa, almost fell. He just dropped the seed on the floor. He's looking back at the plate like it's empty. No. It's all gone. Oh, we're going back to lick the plate. Oh yeah. Finger licking, plate licking good. You're a silly monkey. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. We will see you in the next video. Can you say bye, Ollie? Say bye. Let me know what your favorite fruit is down in the comments below, huh? Mine is obviously watermelon.